past perfect tense. But before starting the rules of past perfect tense, you should understand the use of past perfect tense means where we use or in what situation we use past perfect tense. So actually past perfect tense denotes the action which had been completed at some point of time in the past. So you should pay attention that in the past but at some point of time, the action which has been completed at some point of time in the past. So this is the basic difference between past indefinite tense and past perfect tense. In past indefinite tense, the work or action took place or done in the past, but in past perfect tense, the work or action had been completed in the past but at some point of time. Suppose, for example, they had gone to the market before sunset. So here the work which has been completed first is gone to the market, and second action is the sunset. So the sunset is in past indefinite tense and they had gone to the market is past perfect tense. For detailing, you can see here that the work which has been finished first, past perfect tense, and the work which has been finished later, past indefinite tense. Okay, so I hope you can understand it. It is simple. In short, past perfect tense is double past or past plus past. Okay, so I hope you can understand, and let's move on the rules. Affirmative in singular number: he, she, it, any name of a noun or person, and singular noun. And this is the formula: subject plus had plus v third and object. In past perfect tense we use had plus v third. Okay, so these are the examples. He had already gone. He had already gone. Okay, had plus v third. The patient had died before the doctor came. So here the patient had died. The work which has been completed first is this first one, and we make this sentence in past perfect tense, and the second action which starts later, doctor came. So we make it in past indefinite tense. Okay, now let's move on negative sentence: he, she, it, any name of a person, and singular noun. The same had plus v third. Formula is subject had plus not plus v third plus object. Means we use had between had and v third. Okay, and then object. These are the examples: he had not gone to Delhi. Had not gone. We use had and not and then v third. Second example: the patient had not died before the doctor came. Okay, so first work is the patient had not died, and second work is doctor came, and this is the past perfect tense and this is past indefinite tense. Okay, now let's move on interrogative sentence in singular number: he, she, it, any name of a person, and singular noun. Had plus v third. First formula: had plus subject plus v third plus object, and then question mark. Second formula: question word plus had plus subject plus v third and object and question mark. These are the examples. Had the patient died before the doctor came. Okay, we use had before the subject, then we third, and then the second clause, the doctor came. Okay, in question mark. Why did you go after the sunset? Why did you go after the sunset? Here the work which has been completed first is the sun had set, and the later work is you go. Why did you go? Okay, so actually there are two clauses. One clause is why did you go, and second clause is the sunset, and this after is the conjunction. I will take this topic later individually. What is clause and kinds of sentences, but here let's take affirmative sentence in plural number. So you can see here plural number, I, we, you, they, plural noun, and we use had plus we third, the same as in singular number. This is the formula. Subject plus had plus we third and object. Okay, so had plus we third, the same. And these are the examples. I had already taken my dinner, so we use had plus we third, and we make this sentence in past perfect tense because the work had been completed at some point of time, means already. Okay, it is denoted by already. Okay, and the second one is they came back to home after the sun had set. So here the first work is the sun had set, and the second work is they came back to home. Okay, now let's move on. Negative sentence in plural number. I, we, you, they, plural noun, and we use had plus we third. Okay, this is the formula. Subject plus had plus not plus we third and object. These are the examples. We had not taken lunch before the sun set. So here we use not between the had and we third. Okay, there are two clauses. First one is we had not taken lunch, and before this, and second clause is before the sun set. So first work is this one, we had not taken lunch, and second work which start later, the sun set. Okay, we makes this clause in past indefinite, and this one is in past perfect. Okay, now second example, they did not go to play cricket after they had taken lunch. Okay, so past indefinite tense we use did not, so they did not go to play cricket after they had taken lunch. So the first work is they had taken lunch. Okay, and this one is second work which starts later, so we make this in past indefinite, and this one is in past perfect. Okay, now let's move on. Plural number, interrogative sentence, plural number. I, we, you, they, plural noun, and had, we use had. First formula, had plus subject plus we third and object and question mark. Second formula, question word plus had plus subject we third and question and object and question mark. Okay, these are the examples. Did I taken my dinner after the sun had set? So we make the first clause in past indefinite, did I taken my dinner, and second one, the sun had set. So The first work is the sun had set, and the later work is did I taken my dinner. Okay. So second example, why had you gone before he came. Okay, why had you gone before he came. So this is in past perfect tense and this is in past indefinite tense. Okay, so I hope you may have understood it. Simply you should understand that the work which starts first or finished first is in past perfect tense, and the work or action which starts later, we make this one in past indefinite tense. Okay, so if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section, and for the previous tense I have given the link down below in the description box. You can check out it from there. And if you like this, then click the button like, and thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay healthy always, because you deserve it. Bye bye now.